Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel with me, Janine Intansari. And today we're gonna swatch, review, play around, and just try out Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush. Stay tuned! So, I have already used some base makeup and also I already put on my brows. Nah, di sini aku belum makeupan mata sama sekali, no eyeshadow color, no blush, and that lips needs a little bit of color, but soon. Tapi sekarang kita bakalan mainin Emina Cheeklit Cream Blushnya dulu. Nah, di sini aku udah punya keempat warna dari Emina Cream Blush. So the first one is Emina Cream Blush in the color Peach, and then we have a nudie brown. We have my favorite pink. Last but not least, we have violet. Nah, di sini aku mau nyobain satu persatu di pipi aku so that you can see how it looks like, the texture, the scent, pokoknya everything. I will review about it. And let me know which one is your favorite. Hello, Burger Hairband. I got this when I was in Everland. If you have ever visited South Korea, di sana dia ada theme park namanya Everland. And they have this super cute hairband. It's Burger. Dan Burger itu kayak ada, I don't know, is this a fox? Is this supposed to be a dog? I don't know what this is, but it's cute. Now let's zoom in. Nah, aku nggak pakai powder karena aku merasa kalau misalnya kita lagi mau pakai cream products, let's say cream blush or maybe cream eyeshadow, kayaknya kalau pakai powder itu bakalan nanti campur sama partikel powdernya dan nanti bakalan sedikit cakey, so I skip powder. But the Bare With Me mineral cushion ini sendiri itu udah lumayan set onto my face. Aku merasa memang aku emang dari dulu nggak suka pakai powder sih. I guess I would just wear a little bit of powder if my face is super oily. But ini aku nggak merasa pakai si Bare With Me cushion oily sama sekali. The oil is controlled dan aku merasa sedikit dewy tapi nggak terlalu extra oily. So it's fine to skip powder sometimes. Apalagi kalau misalnya kalian mau pakai cream blushes. Bahkan sometimes aku pakai si yang pink itu, yang favorit aku yang warna pink itu without cushion, without any base makeup. I just wear my skincare, I just wear my brows, my lipstick, and I wear the Cheeklit Cream Blush yang pink karena aku suka pakai produk yang krim-krim gini kalau aku lagi males pakai makeup yang tebal gitu. So let's see the texture. Oh, look at that. Very peachy. Nah, jadi aku udah nyoba yang pink dan awal-awalnya itu pas dia dikeluarkan dari packagingnya, dia itu bakal terlihat agak pucat. Tapi pas dipakai di kulit, the color will slowly start to appear, which is super interesting. So I'm going to warm it a little bit onto my hands, apply it, and let's see how it goes. Oh, I love peach. Look at that. It's so cute. It almost matches with my hair color. Aduh, lucu banget, parah. And dia tuh gampang banget di blend. You just need to tap it on your skin. Slowly, it will turn into a beautiful peach color. Oh, I love it. I love it. Ini aku belum pakai. And this is the one that I already put the peach on. Cute! Now, because this is a cream product, it gives you a very nice glowing dewy finish. Now, I really like dewy skin lately. Aku suka banget. Dari dulu aku memang gak terlalu suka matte colors. Dan ini kalian gak usah khawatir. Walaupun awalnya itu dia gak terlalu kelihatan, tapi lama-lama dia bakal pop the color. Jadi pakainya jangan banyak-banyak, just very tiny amount. Put it on your hand and then tap 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 until the color shows its true form. Dan aku sedikit sapuin ke hidung aku. You can have the most beautiful colored lipstick, you can have the most gorgeous eyeshadow, lashes, mascara, whatever it is, but if you don't wear a nice blush, kayaknya kurang gitu. So blush is just everything right now. So this is peach. Let's move on to the next color. Oh, by the way guys, a note to remember, this Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush does stain your skin a little bit. Nah, karena dia cream product, kalau misalnya kita kenain geser kulit atau misalnya kita tepuk-tepuk, kalau misalnya dia kayak ngegeser atau ngilang itu kan kayaknya disappointing. Tapi ini enggak, it does stain on your skin, jadi dia itu agak susah hilangnya. Tapi kalau misalnya setelah dicuci pakai air itu hilang kok. So now I'm going to fast forward the video and start swatching on pink, nudie brown, and violet, and then we're gonna review about the product. So guys, here are the swatches of the 4 Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush. Shades-nya dari kiri ke kanan adalah peach, pink, nudie brown, and last but not least, violet. Nah, aku awalnya suka banget. My favorite one was the pink one, but now aku jadi pindah ke peach. Tadinya aku pikir karena rambut aku emang agak pink, so I thought pink would do best for me, but turns out my hair is more to the peach. That's why I love this more. Terus kayak lebih nyatu gitu ke muka. Now I'm going to talk about the product itself. Aku merasa cream blush kayak gini tuh jauh lebih gampang dan lebih cepat dipakai daripada let's say powder blush. Bahkan ini di boxnya ada directionnya, oleskan merata pada pipi sampai terlihat merona. That's it. There's nothing else that you need to do. You don't have to use brush, you just need to use your fingertips. Benar-benar gampang banget. Dan bahkan cream blush kayak gini juga sangat bagus kalau dipakai bare face, tanpa cushion, tanpa base makeup, itu juga bagus juga. Dengan base makeup bagus, tanpa base makeup juga bagus. The claim on the box says that the formula will give a natural and long-lasting blush on your cheeks. Jadi dia bilang ini bakalan long-lasting, dan tadi aku udah coba dan ternyata it is long-lasting karena dia juga agak sedikit nge-stain on your skin. Jadi nggak gampang rub off, nggak gampang hilang walaupun kita kena pegang tangan atau apa segala macam, cipika-cipiki or anything, itu nggak bakal kenapa-napa. Blushnya bakalan masih intact. The texture itself is like a very jelly-ish cream dan lembut banget di kulit, sama sekali nggak ada kerasa perih or anything at all. No, not at all. It's just like a moisturizer tapi buat di pipi aja gitu. As for the scent, aku nggak merasa produk ini ada bau yang menyengat, bahkan kayaknya hampir nggak ada baunya sama sekali. Ya, hampir nggak ada baunya sama sekali. Mungkin ada sedikit smell of sweet powder, tapi hampir nggak ada. I think this kind of blush itu cocok banget buat natural makeup, buat quick makeup, buat let's say ke kampus, ke kantor. Pokoknya kalau misalnya kalian mau achieve natural finish, pakai Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush ini cocok banget. Nah guys, aku udah selesai pakai cream blushnya Emina, tapi aku belum pakai eyeshadow and a lipstick, so I'm going to do something to my eyes first. Dan di sini aku masih ada beberapa produk blush dari Emina, which is the Emina Cheeklit Pressed Blush. Nah tadi yang cream blush ada 4 warna, sedangkan yang pressed blush ada 6. Super cute. I love the packaging. It's so simple and girly. I love that. Aku bakal kasih lihat ke kalian ini shade-nya ada apa aja. First we have cotton candy, sugar cane, violet berry, marshmallow lady, bittersweet, and last but not least, cherry blossom. Now I know these are blushes, tapi blush powder itu juga bisa banget kok dipakai buat eyeshadow, apalagi kalau mau natural look. So I'm going to use this today as eyeshadow. I think I'm going to combine Marshmallow Lady and Violet Berry together. Kayaknya dua ini bagus banget buat di-combine dan kayak kasih gradasi sedikit. These two look gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to get a small brush dan abis ini aku langsung apply ke mata aku. Let's move closer. Now I'm going to use the Marshmallow Lady first. Ini bagus banget kayaknya, kayak warna nude. I love nudes. going to use a blending brush. That is so cute. Aku lagi suka banget makeup yang kelihatannya tuh sedikit-sedikit kelihatan, nggak kayak super pigmented. I love pigmented shadows, tapi akhir-akhir ini aku lagi suka banget natural makeup. Terus ini super blendable banget. Moving on to the second color, aku mau pakai yang violet berry. Dia lebih ke pink. Pakai brush yang lebih kecil. I'm going to pack this on the outer corner. Gradasi yang super simple aja. Aku bakal taruh ini juga di bagian bawah, tapi cuman di bagian luarnya aja. I'm just going to add one more product, which is the Emina I Do Crayon Pour Layout. Try to draw as close as you can to the lash line. Lebih dekat ke dimana tumbuhnya bulu mata itu lebih baik. Jadi sebisa mungkin jangan ada jarak antara eyelinernya dan bulu mata kalian gitu. I gave a very simple wing, very tiny wing. Terus kayak aku smudge sedikit supaya dia kayak gradasi terus hilang. And then I'm going to tight line, which is lining the inner lash line with the eyeliner. Proses tight lining tuh awal-awalnya aku merasa gak nyaman banget karena itu kan kayak very close to your eyeballs. Tapi lama-kelamaan aku kebiasaan, jadi kayak konsen ngelihat ke kaca kalian aja gitu, kayak lihat ke kacanya aja terus, jadi jangan kayak dirasa-rasain gitu loh pensilnya. Dan itu kalian harus hati-hati juga because this is very close to your eyes, so be careful and be gentle. Okay, the eye look is done. I also apply a little bit of mascara very quickly. Sekarang aku pengen balik ke pipi. I think the Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush is super cute, but I also want to give it a little bit more dimension. Nah, tadi kan aku udah kasih lihat ke kalian si Cheeklit yang pressed blush. I think the combination of the cream blush, terus kalau di atasnya di apply pressed blush, I think it will be even more cuter and it will have that gradation. Jadi kayak lebih intens di tengah-tengah pipi terus lama-lama kayak nyebar gitu. I think that's going to be very good, so I will try that now. I think the color Bittersweet would be very cute. So let's unbox this. Aku bakal apply yang pressed blush ini di atasnya si cream blush. Tapi kalau misalnya cream blushnya misalnya segede gini, aku yang pressed blushnya yang lebih kecil, di bagian lebih tengah-tengahnya gitu. Whoa guys, this has a shine effect. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Let's apply to the other cheek. A little bit here as well. Dan aku suka naruh sedikit blush di bagian dagu sama jidat. Here's a closer look of the Emina Cheeklit Pressed Blush. There are 6 shades in total. Dari sebelah kiri ke kanan itu Marshmallow Lady, Violet Berry, Bittersweet, Sugarcane, Cotton Candy, last but not least, Cherry Blossom. It's very hard for me to choose a favorite because all of these are so cute. Tapi kalau aku disuruh pilih yang aku paling suka, kayaknya balik lagi ke Marshmallow Lady dan Violet Berry, warna yang aku pakai di eyeshadow aku. Okay guys, my eyes are done, my cheeks are glowing. Now comes my favorite part, the lip colors. Now I'm currently super obsessed with the Emina Cream Matte Liquid Lipstick and I'm going to make an ombre lip today. Dari 15 warna cream mattes-nya, plus they also have 3 new cream matte metallic shades. Aku punya favorit. Dan itu adalah nomor 02 dan nomor 13, which is the Fuzzy Wuzzy and Beat Bites. So first, I'm going to use Fuzzy Wuzzy. I will apply this color to the outer part of my lips. Wow, dia warnanya bagus banget. It's like your lip color, but better. Dan walaupun dia matte finish, tapi dia tuh nggak yang kayak super kering gitu, nggak sama sekali. Dia kayak super comfort matte. It is comfortable, lightweight, and long lasting. Nah, aku sengaja nggak pakai fuzzy wuzzy sampai bagian bibir dalam karena bagian situ aku mau pakai si bead bites. I'm going to apply this only to the center of the lips. Terus aku gini. It goes to my teeth. One trick that I learned is that if you apply lipstick, take a tissue, terus kayak diuntel-untel di jari, salah satu jari kalian, and then you insert the finger to your mouth and do this. Nah, kalau misalnya kalian udah melakukan step itu, lipstick yang mungkin transfer ke gigi kalian udah nyangkut di tisu, tapi ya lupakan itu jigongnya. So dengan begitu kalian bisa 100% aman kalau senyum setelah pakai lipstick itu nggak bakal ada yang nyangkut di gigi. Hihi. Ladies and gentlemen, the final look is done! So this is a very simple tutorial using the Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush, Cheeklit Pressed Blush, and also the Emina Cream Matte Lipstick. Aku lagi suka banget sekarang look yang gak terlalu full glam. Just a touch of pink, a touch of nude here and there, and you're done. And simple looks like this, itu jadi gampang banget di-achieve if you use the Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush. Karena kalau misalnya kalian pengen that natural skin glow, I suggest you guys to use cream makeups. Jadi dia gak terlalu matte, dia kayak masih ada skin texture-nya, dia masih glowy finish. Dan itu kebantu banget sama si Cheeklit Cream Blush. As you know, right now my favorite is the peach shade. Tadinya pink, tapi sekarang jadi peach because I finally try 4 of them. Dan walaupun semuanya bagus-bagus, kayaknya favorit aku si peach. Soalnya ini kayak paling pas banget sama warna rambut aku. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush shade. If you guys ever recreate this look, please tag me online so that I can like, comment, and share your post. Yang tadinya aku teracuni ini sama teman-teman aku, finally aku bisa ngeracunin juga ke kalian, the Emina Cheeklit Cream Blush. I cannot wait for you guys to try this out. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye! Mwah.